Hello. In this video, I would like to share you about Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Let's review it together as following. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 cell phone plus storage upgrade plus $200 Amazon gift card, factory unlocked Android smartphone, 512GB, big 7.6-inch screen for streaming, gaming, US version, 2023, ICY Blue. About this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Pre-order offer. Purchase the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5 now and get a free storage upgrade to 512GB and get a $200 Amazon gift card. Expansive screen, cinematic experience. Streaming on the go with this big screen is a big deal. Unfold the massive 7.6-inch screen Asterisk on Galaxy Z Fold5 and lose yourself in your favorite content, no matter where you are. Your gaming experience, elevated. With Galaxy Z Fold5, enjoy mobile games on the cover screen or unfold the interior screen for a more immersive experience. With an impressive processor, power through with a high refresh rate and minimal input delays. The future of doing more. With dual app viewing, you can do more with more screen on Galaxy Z Fold5, drag and drop photos into a text message, shop two sites side by side or stream videos while checking your feed. Impressive precision. More productivity, precision meets portability with S Pen asterisk capability on Galaxy Z Fold5, write directly on the large screen and go from to-do to done. Full screen outside, massive screen inside, the 6.2-inch cover display asterisk is perfect for one-handed scrolling and quick tasks, or unfold the massive 7.6 interior screen asterisk for everything else. Fold it, don't hold it, put your Galaxy Z Fold5 in flex mode and do more at once with hands-free video calling, chat with your friends while searching for movie times, or take notes during a video call. It's easy with Galaxy Z Fold5. Thank you for watching and see you next videos.